Yo, my correct Naija people, now your baby girl live for Pidgin Vibez news. Welcome to Sunday Weekly News Recap, where we dey break down all the big wey shake Nigeria during the past week. People dem dey fear as bandits and terrorist matters still dey affect many communities. Nigerian stock market rally reached over 173,000 points as investors dey smile. Entertainment wahala, Davido withdraw him custody case for daughter Imade, say nobody win. Sophia Momodu react, she posts say God dey her back, dance to celebrate relief. And Wizkid and Asake new joint party song Jogodo still dey shake charts. US don send about 200 troops to help Nigeria fight terrorism. Nigeria and China mark 55 years diplomatic partnership at Chinese New Year bash. NAFDAC clarify, Nigeria Food and Drug Agency deny say dem ban popular antibiotic amoxicillin. MMA don join police games for Asaba, new breakthrough for sport. Na football matter, Ademola Lookman goal and assist help Atletico Madrid whoop Barcelona 4-0 in the Copa del Rey. The Agungu Fishing Festival don return with massive crowd for Kebbi State. Bogi guys shut markets and parks to support security operation. Social media dey talk say Peter Obi won't get sympathy votes for 2027. Nigeria still dey host big events. Africa Running Conference come dey held for 2027. Na big gist we cover this week: music, football, politics, court matter plus culture. Thanks say una jam Pidgin Vibez news. Make una enjoy una week.